Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to use the GROUPBY formula to optimize data grouping. The simplest way to apply it is by grouping data based on a single condition. For example, you can calculate the sum or the average value. Next comes sorting. Entering 1 sorts the data by the first column, 2 by the second, and so on. It's also possible to filter the data, for instance, to exclude the first store, or alternatively, show only its data. You can filter by values too, such as hiding amounts below 1,000. This makes it easy to include or exclude exactly what you need. Another useful trick is combining multiple formulas in one array. Say you want to calculate the sum, average, and percentage for each store. Just use the H-stack formula and define the necessary calculations. The result is a single array with multiple calculated columns. With just one GROUPBY formula, it's possible to create a powerful data set that includes calculations, sorting, and filtering all in one place. If you'd like a deeper look at GROUPBY with practical examples, let me know in the comments. I'll include it in one of the next videos. Thanks for watching and have a good day.